What is the minimum income requirement for a Maybank credit card? Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the minimum income requirement for a Maybank credit card. So if you go to this link, that is maybanktoyou.com.sg/en promotions, you could find out the eligibility section where you can see you need to have a minimum annual income of up to this particular amount so that you could go ahead and apply for the credit card. So while you're on this page, you could read about other information as well. So you could just go ahead and read about all of that and basically go through it. And this way you'll be able to know minimum income requirement for a Maybank credit card. However, if this seems to be complicated and not able to understand, then you could also go to the credit card section by tapping on the apply for credit card button at the bottom of the page. You could see list of credit card, and here you could see also find out the information section. So these are the minimum income requirement for a Maybank credit card. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.